it's a long-term plan. Those of us that have been in the market and watched the market, there's times it's up and there's times it's down. One thing you do have to take into consideration is you've never retired before. Hi, welcome to Money Wisdom. I'm Eric Hogarth, and today's question is, are stocks good retirement investments? They can be. This gets into your goals, your risk tolerance, your needs. It's not as simple as, well, you're retired, so you shouldn't have money in the market because that's too risky. It depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Time is a big factor. Sometimes people will ask, well, Eric, what stock should I buy today? And what they're asking me is, what stock should I buy today that I can own for a couple of days and make a bunch of money? None. That's gambling. It's not investing. Warren Buffett says, I wouldn't own a stock for 10 minutes if I wasn't comfortable owning it for 10 years. That's how you invest. It's a long-term plan. Those of us that have been in the market and watched the market, there's times it's up and there's times it's down. One thing you do have to take into consideration is you've never retired before. And though maybe you lost money on paper, as they say, while you were working and you stayed the course and you made that money back, you've never been retired before and lost money. So you don't know psychologically how that's going to impact you. But where a lot of people, find discomfort or make mistakes is a result of panicking. If you've heard Joel and I talk about, well, the market did this today and what should you do? You don't panic and you look at your plan. And a lot of people panic because they don't have a plan. So stocks can be a fantastic tool. You certainly don't want to leave all your money in the bank if you're trying to grow it, because it's not going to. Of course, if you take too much risk with your money and you lose money that you didn't need to lose in the first place, that's not good either. So don't rule out stocks, but certainly look at the entirety of what you're doing. The reason we build our money maps and our one-page plans is because all these different moving parts and different accounts boil down to one account, which is your financial life and your financial plan. And you need to make sure that each element of that plan is adding value to the overall goal. And maybe stocks fit in or maybe they don't. But growth is something that you need, most likely. And you've got to plan that into that plan no matter what phase of life you're in.